What's going on, y'all? So you might be wondering why we are on the back of the 4Runner right now, and well, the reason why is because the 4Runner is going to be getting some love, because we're going to be taking the 4Runner on a road trip. It's not going to be a huge road trip, just, you know, more of like a fishing slash camping trip that I'm very excited to go on. So there's a couple things that I need to get done with the 4Runner that we need to make happen before the road trip gets here. But before that all happens, I got a package from a sponsor, and we're gonna go ahead and open it real quick. We're gonna go ahead and take our Filipino knife that we got from our good friend, and we're gonna open this thing up and see what we got. Always cut towards you, that's the safest way to cut. I'm just kidding, please cut away from you. Do never cut towards you. I know a lot of people on YouTube really take what people say seriously on their videos, so let's not do that. Let's go ahead and cut this open, put the knife away so that we don't cut ourselves on the knife, because that knife is really sharp. Oh heck yeah, dude, look at that. Oh, this is sick. You got magnet bases for the back of your phone, and then this right here is, oh, this thing's gonna be sweet. Okay, check this out, hear me out. So when your car is like, you have the AC on, right, and your phone's overheating, you can literally put your AC on and this will very much so cool your phone down, which is really cool. This is all from AutoExtrude. So this is for the Matrix. This actually is on their website. If you put in hammer down, if you use that, you get 15% off all Matrix, SC, and Supra stuff. So all three of those platforms, you get 15% off the entire order. So I can't wait to install this and show you guys how this thing's going to be. So this is the phone hanging thingy, and we're gonna upgrade it to the AutoExtrude one, which I'm so excited about. I'm so pumped. And this, I believe, goes right here on the center console, which it's funny because every single time I move this vent, I always hit the power button on my display. So having this is gonna be huge. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this out, which is very easy since I've popped it out so many times and broken it a couple times. So it's just gonna be a bunch of wires. I don't even know what, I think this is for the antenna. I'm not entirely sure. There we go. Love how my fingers instantly just got so cold. Alright, so got this out, and it looks like there are, so there's just two screws in the back right there. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver real quick and get those two screws out. So take these two screws out. There we go. My hands are frozen so I can't feel anything. Love that for myself. Okay, so we got that out. So now it's clocked this way, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in the same way. Oh my god, that fits OEM, y'all. That fits OEM. And they even got the same gasket material as this. I mean, this is more porous just because it's old, and they got that from the junkyard, I can tell. But this is definitely gonna be a lot better. We're gonna go a little gentle with this because you don't have to do it all the way, and you just have to get it to where it's snug. That's perfect. I don't want to break any of these tabs or break the plastic, which honestly this plastic feels way better than how the other part did. And the other part's OEM, which is crazy too. It's even crazier. So I didn't hear a snap. I always want to hear that snap. That snap. Did you guys hear that snap? I think you guys heard that snap. That's the snap I'm always looking for, because that means that it's in. All right, we got everything in. Let's go ahead and just put this. Let's go ahead and suck this thing back in there. I think that's what she said. Joking there, but I'm not gonna go on that because I don't need you guys going in the comments being like, that's what she said, that's what she said. It has a little bit of play in it, but that's not the worst thing in the world as long as it doesn't fall, which it has done to me once. All right, let's see what happens. I think this is magnetic. Oh my, y'all, that is Holy, okay, hold on. I got my keys in here somewhere because I want to put my charger in. The only thing that I don't like is that it's covering, well, yeah, it's covering the AC, which, to be fair, I don't even use the AC that much, not gonna lie, but I can just sneak my finger under there and do that. But yeah, I don't really use the AC that much anyways. And it doesn't, what's it called? It doesn't interfere with the screen at all, which is awesome. Oh, dude, that keeps everything nice and flush. I like that a lot, actually. I like that a lot. That, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. And then let's go with the airflow. Goes really nice. You guys obviously aren't going to be able to tell with the airflow, but the airflow is really nice. The only problem is that, look, yeah, the only issue is my clips. I'm probably most likely going to have to put some double-sided tape to keep this thing in, because now that it has that load, it's gonna want to fall after a while. But some double-sided tape or something to hold that in, it'll be mint, because the airflow actually is insane on this. Like, it's blowing right out of my phone, which is awesome. Yeah, no, that's awesome. I mean, like, it looks perfectly at me, so I mean, I'm stoked on that, obviously. Oh yeah, that's gonna be sick. I'm stoked. And then, yeah, no, I love that. I love that so much. That's gonna be so sick. I want to remember to thank AutoExtrude again for sending me this, because I feel like they are trying to make new products for the market. The only problem with that is trying to find someone that actually has the chassis or the car to be able to make the products for the market. And I want to give a huge shout out to them, because not only have they literally done so much for me for the MK3 Supra, they've also got half of my stuff in the SC300 is AutoExtrude, like the phone holder, all that kind of stuff. I haven't used it yet, unfortunately, but I am going to be using it, you know, sometime soon, hopefully, fingers crossed. But the Matrix as well, like, when I got the Matrix, they showed a lot of interest in it, and I love companies that are willing to adapt to what their customers not only have, but like for me as one of their ambassadors, I love the fact that like they were so willing to bring a 3D part to the market. And so I'm really stoked that they are trusting me to test their products out and install their products and run their products. But not only that, I love the fact that they are willing to make products for the cars that I have, giving you guys a discount code. And again, I will say this in all my videos, and I'm true to this statement, but I don't install parts. I don't like want to recommend a product to you that isn't a good product and doesn't work. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys haven't already, definitely subscribe and like this video, and then comment down below if you guys are interested in getting one of these phone holders. I will put a link in the description to it, and then I'll also put my discount code in the description as well. So go ahead, go down in the description, find that out, get your 15% off of it. This phone mount right here is amazing. I honestly am so stoked to have it. It completely changes everything about this car. Instead of having my phone here, which was annoying, now I get to have it right here, and I get to have my infotainment system really close. So stoked on that, and I would definitely recommend. It's been a few days that I've been using it, and I definitely recommend it for sure. And so definitely take advantage of that code. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. We have a lot of great content coming for sure. We have a snow day, if you can't tell, so it is very much just snow everywhere, which is fun for sure. And well, we have some fun stuff happening with the 4Runner in the next couple of videos that I'll be posting. And so we have some parts to install, we have an oil change to do, we have all of this stuff, which I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys in probably the next video that I upload. And we have the tire swing out here in the back, which you guys can't see, but we're gonna do the tire swing out. We got some electrical stuff to handle. We gotta fix this right here so that the window goes up and down without me having to go in the car and use a little switch. Also, we're gonna fix the tire swing out so that it can latch to this without having to put a lock or anything on it. So we have a lot of cool stuff coming for you guys, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and comment down below what your interest level is on the phone mount, because I do know that AutoExtrude is going to be coming out with more interior modifications that are going to be super, useful to us Matrix and Vibe guys, which I'm really excited for. And comment down below also what you guys would like to see AutoExtrude do, or what products you guys would like to come to the market that are 3D printed, because I'm sure all of the feedback you guys have is just, it's more suggestions that AutoExtrude will have to be able to make more products. And honestly, it'd be really cool for one of you guys to think of something that could increase or like just make the interior better for the platform of the Matrix, obviously, or the Vibe. And it'd be cool to have one of you guys suggest something that comes to the market, and then you guys could be able to say that you guys brought something to the market. Go ahead and comment down below. I'm gonna get inside. It is freezing cold. I'm stuttering so bad because it's so cold. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Mahalo nui loa so much for watching, and take care. And always remember, never forget, always stay positive and stay true to who you are. See you in the next one, guys. Chee. Take care. Peace. Lights. Bye. Oh, hey guys, if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. It supports the channel and it really means a lot to me. If you guys got some time to kill, check this playlist out. This video right here, 2 things you would like it. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay then, shoots.